guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another Throwback Thursday video in the palette. Well, this is the look that I did. And the palette I used is the Too Faced Chocolate Bar. This is the original one, the very first one that came out in Too Faced's line of chocolate makeup that they started to bring out. So they have the chocolate bar, the semi-sweet, and the bonbon, and then they have all their bronzers and all of that. This is what it looks like. And it has the names, but they're on this overlay sheet, so they're not written in the palette, which is kind of annoying, but it's whatever. It's just a minor detail. So if you want to see how I did this look, then just keep watching. So the first color I'm going to go in with is this, and it's Salted Caramel. And I'm just going to dust that all over the eye. Just keep blending around to get a nice even coverage for the transition shade. These colors have a nice pigment to them. This palette. I think I'm gonna go more for like a gold. A neutral eye with a gold lid. Probably. And I used the E27 by Morphe. It's just this fluffy brush. Nice and fluffy. Next, I'm gonna go in with this tapered brush. It's a Morphe brush, and it's fluffy as well. There's no number on it. And I'm going to go in with the color Milk Chocolate. I'm going to put that in the crease and just blend it upward. I always feel like I have one little like section here. I feel like it doesn't pick up the color like the rest, but I think it's just like a dry patch. I don't know, do any of you guys have that? My skin is so dry. I feel like I've been saying that for like ever. So dry. Not anything super precise. And then I'm going to take this, it's a pretty dense brush. It's not super wide. But it's a Morphe 433. I don't know if you can see that. It's a Morphe M433. And I'm going to go back in with that first color, Salted Caramel. I'm going to put that under my eye. And just connect it with this outer color here. All the way from inner corner to outer. So it like connects that whole shape around. And then I'm just gonna take this Sigma Pencil E30 brush. Focus. And I'm gonna go into that milk chocolate color. And I'm gonna be more precise and go from the outer along this inner, or from the outer towards the inner, but not all the way, with that darker color. A little more precise, but nothing too crazy. And then if you want, you can go back in with the other brush and just kind of blend it. Like so. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go in, what's this color? It's kind of annoying because the colors are written on this sheet, so I keep picking that up. They're not written on the pan, they're behind them. So I'm gonna go in with white chocolate. And I'm gonna put that all over my lid to lighten the lid, so when I go to lay down that gold color, it'll be brighter, more vibrant. Here we go. You know, some people use concealer, and you can use concealer as well. They'll put concealer down over their lid and then put that lighter color on. You can do that. I just find it easy to do it this way, instead of trying to nicely put a cream all over my lid and not make a mess. And I'm just using that Urban Decay shadow brush to do that. And I'm just putting it on 3/4 of the way. I'm leaving the outer corner. I'm gonna put a darker color out there anyway, so. Put that on. And then I'm gonna go into Creme Brulee, this gold color. I'm gonna get that on. You can clean off that flat shadow brush if that's what you just used. That's what I'm doing, I'm cleaning that off, and then the one that I just used to put that lighter color on, I just clean it off, and then I'm gonna put it in that gold color, and then I'm gonna spray my brush. And I have MAC Fix Plus, you can use whatever it is you use. And then again, you're just gonna press that color all over the lid. And keep working with it until you get your desired coverage. Just keep patting it on. And then you can go back in with, you know, that first fluffy brush you used and just dust across. Make sure everything's nice and blended. I'm just gonna take that crease brush I used, blend along the crease there, and then I'm gonna take this, I don't know, it's a buff and blend brush. Call it a stubby brush. And I'm going to go into Triple Fudge. And again, with the darker colors, start light because you can always build it up. And I'm just gonna press that on the outer corner there. Just to darken that up. And then I'm going to take another tapered brush and just blend that. I could have applied it with this tapered brush, but I think that stubby brush picks up the color. I'm just gonna blend it. And then I'm going to take this flat brush, flat definer brush. This one's by e.l.f. It's a eyeliner brush. I'm going to put it in that triple fudge color, and I'm going to put that right up against the lower lash line. Just going to press it on, and then I'm just going to take this, well, see, I try to get all like, ooh, I'm doing all this. I'm going to take this tiny tapered brush and just blend that right along the lower lash line. Just smudge it along and connect everything. I'm going to go back in with this white chocolate, and I'm going to highlight the brow bone and the inner corner. And I'm just using this, I don't know. Doesn't have a name, it's just an e.l.f. brush, but it's super tiny. And you just highlight the you just highlight the inner corner to open up the eye a bit. And I am going to go off camera and do the rest of my face, my eyeliner and my lashes, and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. I just went ahead and did my blush, my highlighter, did a winged liner, put some lashes on, and did my lips. So I hope you like it, and I really hope that this encourages you to pull out your Too Faced chocolate bar if you have it. I actually think if you don't have it, I think you can still buy it. It's one of their permanent, that's the word I was looking for in my last video, permanent. I think it's one of their permanent palettes. Let's see. I will tell you really quick. Yes, it's one of their permanent palettes. It's $49 at Sephora, and I'm pretty sure you can get it at Ulta as well. And you know what? Too Faced is just a good brand. Again, I don't get endorsed for any of this stuff. I just have a lot of makeup. And I, again, want to continue to pull out older palettes and do these videos. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave me comments below. If you have older palettes that you'd like to, you know, see me do a look on, just write that in the comments and I'll see if I have it and we'll see what we can do. Well, I'll see what I can do. If I had the palette, I'll definitely do a video. So thanks for stopping by and watching.